Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of SimCity BuildIt. This will basically give you unlimited money and SimCash in the game, which you can use to purchase anything. And don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as free shopping, unlimited money and SimCash, unlimited keys, unlock all epic building and much more. The next step is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once you are on your device, make sure you already have SimCity BuildIt installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. The next step is open your favorite browser and follow me. Once the website is loading, in the search bar type is the SimCity BuildIt like me. Okay. Press install and now wait to finish this process. After process is completed, SimCity BuildIt++ will be installed for your Android or iOS device. So thank you for watching, see you in the next video.